at Sinoni. Fans can help you discover a new way your community can help you get discovered. Viewers can now hide your videos from the rest of this. Your videos will get points, which may help them land on a new leaderboard designed for emerging creators with under 500,000 subscribers. What you need to know, feel supported by your community. For the first 7 days after you publish a video, viewers will have the option to hype it. Viewers can hype videos in one post up to 3 times a week. Leaderboard discoverability. When a video is hyped, it receives points. The more you get, the higher the video class on the leaderboard, which appears under the Explore section. You also have the potential to be promoted in the YouTube homepage and to receive badges showing the video is a favorite of viewers. Smaller